Alright gentlemen, now we are looking at page 15, and from page 15 onwards we will see more miscellaneous examples of integration techniques. Okay, so for page 15 3a, okay, we are looking at the integration of 3x over 2 root 5 x squared dx. Okay, so immediately you notice there is a constant multiplier over here, which is 3 over 2. So I will bring it out, and we have x over root 5 x squared dx. So if you simplify the entire expression here, what you get is x to the power of 1 minus 2 over 5 dx, and you will get 3 over 2 integrate x to the power of 3 over 5 dx. So from the power 3 over 5, if you plus 1, you get 8 over 5. Therefore, when you integrate, you get equals to 3 over 2, 5 over 8, x to the power of 8 over 5, plus c. Okay, so if you simplify the entire expression, you get 15 over 16 x to the power of 8 over 5 plus c, and that's all for the answer. Okay, so at this point, notice that in this example here, compared to the previous part about using logarithm, over here we can integrate directly. Okay, and by using the rule that we learned at first about integrating power functions. Okay, even for these rational powers like 3 over 5, you can integrate it directly without using logarithm. Only the case when x has a power of minus 1, okay, or the entire expression has a power of minus 1, okay, then you will need a logarithmic function. Alright, okay, so now we look at 3b. Okay, so for 3b we have an integration of 3x minus 1 squared over 5x to the power of 4 dx over here. Alright, so for this case, you won't be able to integrate this directly. So what I will do is I will simplify the entire expression. Okay, what I will get is, first of all, to expand this, we get 9x squared minus 6x plus 1 over 5x to the power of 4 dx. And what we get is simply 9 over 5, right, x to the power minus 2 dx plus, right, for over here we have negative 6 over 5, right, times x to the power of negative 3 dx plus integration of 1 over 5 x to the power minus 4 dx. So for all three of these terms here, you may integrate directly to achieve equals to, okay, here we get 9 over 5, right, negative 1, okay, x to the power of minus 1, okay, the next part, okay, plus negative 6 over 5, bracket negative half, x to the power of minus 2, right, plus 1 over 5, 1 over negative 3, x to the power of minus 3, plus c. Okay, and what we get is negative 9 over 5x. Okay, so minus you get a plus, so you get positive, and cancel 1, 3. Okay, so that's 3 over 5x squared, right, positive, negative, you get negative, right, 1 over 15 x to the power 3, right, and plus c. Okay, and that's your answer. Okay, so now the last part is 3c, 3x to the power 7 plus x squared over 2 times cube root x. Okay, and what we get is equals to, okay, we will split them again into different terms. Integration of 3 over 2, okay, bracket, alright, so this is x to the power 7 minus 1/3, Alright, dx plus integration of 1 over 2 times x squared minus 1 over 3 dx. Okay, simplifying, we get equals to 3 over 2 integrate x to the power of, okay, I will write just 6, okay, 20 over 3 dx plus half integrate x to the power of 5 over 3 dx. Okay, so this will give us 3 over 2 bracket 1 divided by 23 over 3 close bracket x to the power of 23 over 3 plus half bracket 1 over 8 over 3 x to the power of 8 over 3 plus c. Okay, so what's the final answer? Is equals to, okay, so this is 9 over 46 x to the power of 23 over 3 plus, okay, what is this? 3 over 16 x to the power of 8 over 3 plus c. Alright, so that's your answer. Okay, now for page 16, we'll look at part D. Page 16, part D. Okay, we have the integration of x minus 3 root x square dx. Okay, so notice that inside the bracket it is not a simple linear expression. Okay, you won't be able to integrate this directly. So in order to integrate this, you need to expand, integrate bracket x squared minus 6x root x plus 9x close bracket dx. Okay, and what we get is actually 1 over 3x cubed. Right, so this okay, I'll go back one step and I will split them into 3 parts first. X squared dx minus root of, okay, for this case it's 6 that is outside. Okay, 6 integrate x to the power of 1 plus half is 3 over 2 dx plus 9 integrate x dx. And what we get is 1 over 3 x cubed. Right, and we have minus 6 times 2 over 5 x to the power of 5 over 2 plus 9 times half x squared plus c. Okay, what's the final answer? 1 over 3 x cubed minus 12 over 5 x to the power of 5 over 2 plus 9 over 2 x squared plus c. And that's our final answer. Okay, so now for part E. Okay, part E. Okay, notice that in this expression over here, okay, immediately you can simplify it to become square integration 1 minus root 4 square dx. Okay, so we are actually using the identity a minus b times a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. Alright, okay, so what we get is we can simplify further to get 1 minus, okay, so root 4 is actually x to the power 1 quarter. So when you square it, okay, you get x, okay, to the power of half, right, and dx over here. Alright, so if you integrate this directly, you will simply get x. Right, if you integrate a 1, you get the x. Okay, then the next part will just simply be minus 2 over 3x, 3 over 2 plus c, and that's your answer. Alright, okay, so now we are looking at this part F. Okay, integration of this entire expression here with a square here. Okay, so right now the first part again, it is not a simple linear expression inside the bracket. So what you need to do is to expand it. Alright, so we are split up into 3 different terms. The first term will be the square of this cube root, okay, which is the x to the power of 2 over 3 dx, right, plus integration, okay, 200 root is 4. Okay, then what we get is cube root times 1 over cube root. You get 1. Okay, so we get dx over here. Okay, and plus, okay, the integration, we square this entire term. What you get is actually 4, okay, 4 over x to the power of 2 over 3 dx. Alright, so we will get this for this is 3 over 5 x to the power of 5 over 3, right, plus, okay, 4x, this is simple, plus for this you have a constant multiplier of 4 x to the power of minus 2/3. Okay, if you plus 1 you get 1/3, then you have to multiply by 3 here, so x to the power of 1/3 plus c. Okay, so now the final answer is basically 3 over 5 x to the power of 5 over 3 plus 4x plus 12 x to the power of 1/3 plus c, and that's your final answer.